Friends, students, and enthusiasts. Today we'll be discussing one more topic. Very simple type of project it is, not topic exactly, it is a project. So we will be discussing about this project that is called as Puffin Crossing Traffic Light System project. Right here we have used a board that is a microcontroller board that is Pico microcontroller, and the codes were written in Python or MicroPython, you can say. So very simple project, but very useful and very interesting also. All right, so let's discuss about this. What is Puffin? Puffin stands for pedestrian, user-friendly, intelligent crossing. It's a traffic light system. Okay, please remember it's a traffic light system. So let's understand the project. Okay, before going to our lab, I will just show you one or two slides. Please watch it and we will see the slides. Okay, right. So let's go to the second slide. So Puffin crossing is a type of pedestrian crossing where traffic light are controlled by sensors or push button and detects the presence of pedestrian. Okay, in European countries and American countries, Australia, New Zealand, there also you have this type of system you will find. All right, okay. So what are the components, list of components, what we have used before going to the lab? So I've used a Raspberry Pi Pico board 1, right? 12 volt, 40 amps relay 4, because this is a real-time project, okay? So 7805, 78122 two regulators I've used, and 110 amps, 24 volt output power supply, that is SMPS power supply. Buzzer is there, bell switch is there, few transistors are there, LEDs are there, heat sink for the regulators are there, and capacitor, resistor, jumper wire, and PCB. These are the things what we have used. All right. So this is a simple diagram. I have just made it for your reference, and I will show you one more diagram that is the rough diagram, but this is the exact diagram. You can just copy this diagram. According to this only, I have made this particular project. Please remember, this is I have made it, I have designed it by myself. Okay, so you can copy this diagram. I have made a rough diagram and you can do the project. Okay, so let's go to the lab and we will check without wasting any time. We'll check. Please, if you like my videos and if you want to have give me some comments, you please do write to me. A traffic light system. Okay, right. What is Puffin? You have a button there. You have to press the button, and the passerby can stop the vehicles or the movement of the vehicle for the temporary period, and they can cross. And again, it will go for this thing. Okay, the vehicle will start again. Mostly, you will find it in Australia, Canada, USA, and other European countries. These type of Puffin systems are there. So I made it on this thing. So I will just explain you what is it, right? And we'll go step by step. Like, so first of all, you have to load the code. Of course, we have already given you the schematic diagram and codes. So we will just discuss the hardware part here. What are the parts first? So first of all, you can see here, I have used this is a microcontroller. So I will just show it to you by tilting it on just near to you. So this is our microcontroller board. That is a Raspberry Pi Pico. Okay, right. This is the main board. So from here, we'll put it to the computer and we'll program it with Tawny ID, and the program will go inside in MicroPython. That is MicroPython we are using the language, and it will program. Okay, this is done. Now, after doing this, you can just put it the whole thing. First of all, you have to arrange it on a breadboard. Okay, breadboard. Why? Because temporary connection you have to give it. Once it is successfully running, then you can put it on the complete PCB board. Okay, right. So this is one part, that is embedded system board. We call it a RI-Pico board. Okay, right. Okay. Second important part here, you can see there are 4 relays. 1, 2, 3, 4. So this is a real time. Okay. So I have not used the smaller relays. Okay. Please remember, smaller relays will be like this. So I will just try to show it to you. It will be like this. These are the smaller relays, right? These are the smaller relays for our projects and all. But this project, I have made it for a company that is, he wants to directly connect to the Puffin main block. That is from here. That's why I've used a 40 amps relay. These are all relays are of 40 amps current, and it works on 12 volt. So 4 relays I have got. I will tell you how it is working and why I have used 4 relays. The next part, what I have used one buzzer for making the sound. You can see here buzzer. You can see buzzer. This is buzzer, 12 volt buzzer, and I've used a switch that is just for pressing a bell type of switch on both the side. The bell type of switch. Okay. So switch, your buzzer, relay, and board. What are the other components? I have used two regulators here. You can see on the heatsink, we have 2 regulators, regulator IC here, okay, on the heatsink. One is of 5 volt, which will run your microcontroller board. This is your microcontroller board. This IC, that is 5 volt IC, will run the microcontroller board. And this 12 volt regulator, it will run your relays, all the 4 relays, as well as your buzzer. All the things will be taken care by this, okay? So only for microcontroller, because this microcontroller we cannot exceed more than 5 volts. So that's why I have given 5 volt regulator. Okay, the whole thing, that is 5 volt, 12 volt, and the relay, the main power supply is here. So this is my main power supply. I will just try to show it to you. It is 24 volt output, 10 amps power supply. Okay, 10 amps or 100 watt, you can say 24 volts output. So you get 24 volts output DC. It is an SMPS. This complete circuit is SMPS, and wattage is approximately 100 watts. Okay, which has an AC input. I can connect the AC also. That is, through this I can run through AC. The DC is made. It's an SMPS. You know, SMPS, I hope you all understand. You can refer my other videos. SMPS stands for switch mode power supply. So this will 24 volt goes to this regulator. From here, 12 volt goes, runs this, all the 4 relays. Of course, the relays and the transistor. Each of the relay, you can see here, I have put transistors 1, 2, 3, and 4. And this transistor is for buzzer, running the buzzer. So 4 relays, 4 transistor, and buzzer, 1 more transistor. So likewise, and for indication purpose, I have kept the bulbs also here, small LEDs of different color, red, yellow, green. This side also for Puffin. Puffin means when the pedestrians are crossing, at that time, you should know when the pedestrians are crossing, this is green, that means the pedestrians will cross. And if it is red, that means pedestrian has to stop. Okay, very simple project, but please believe me, it's a very good project, especially for the school children. This is a professional. You can go for a smaller project. You don't use relays, but you can directly connect the LEDs. Okay, right. Okay. So this is about this thing. How does it work? From here, from this side, this first, the output, high or low, that is whatever the program we have written, to the points, this resistor, it will go to the base of all the 4 transistors that will drive the relay. The relay will be driven by that this thing. Of course, this will be driving your buzzer. Okay, and there is a switch control. All is connected to the microcontroller. So main part is microcontroller, which works on 5 volt. Rest of this thing will work on 12 volt. Okay, the transistor, the relays will work on 12 volts, and the input to both of them, that is 5 volt as well as 12 volt, we are giving 24 volt from the power supply. These are the 2 output, which is 24 volt. Same output from here, that is, it will be given to the lights also. Please remember, Puffin means not only for pedestrian crossing, it has to indicate the stop indication to the traffic light also for the vehicle side. Okay, so stop and all that has to be indicated. For that purpose, I have given these main relays. Okay, so I will just demo our codes now. You can see here on your screen. This is a Thorny ID. Okay, the ID is Thorny ID, and these codes are in MicroPython. Okay, so these two, in the beginning, I will just show you in the beginning. Okay, so this 2 are the main libraries. You can see here. These are the 2 main libraries. Okay, so from machine import pin, this one, and we are defining what are the pins, like we have connected. Okay, these are the things which are that is red LED, orange LED, green LED, buzzer pin also we are showing, and button also we are showing. So these are the things which are connected. So we are defining now that green LED is every time on, right? Every time when you switch on, the green LED should be on, or orange LED on when for 3 seconds when the button is pressed, and off, and then red LED is on. This is the basic. What will happen? Okay, beep for 10 seconds, or you can just change it for 10 seconds. If you want 15 seconds, I've kept it for 15 seconds. You can keep it for 15 seconds also. So these are the beeps, about the beeps and all. It will be there for 15 seconds. Okay, now you can see here. So you can see here, buzzer range 10 buzzer on. That is when you are giving a beep, you have to write how many microsecond beep should be there. So we have given 0.5. And timer again for that is exactly the same time till the red LED is on, that we have given here 10 seconds. And timer sleep, everything you can change here, whatever there in the bracket according to your requirements, and you can just connect and load the program. So this is very simple program, very easy to do it, and very interesting also. I hope you understood this. The program you have to write in Thorny ID, and it is in MicroPython or Python. So now I have just connected the power supply to the mains, and I'm just demonstrating it. So you can see here first one LED which is connected to this one, that is green LED, the light has come. At the same time, you are getting one red LED button. Red LED also is on this side. You can see one red LED is also on this side. Okay, this is the red LED. Okay, so green LED and red LED is on. So what does it indicate? Green LED, that means it is on the traffic side. The traffic is moving on the road. The traffic is moving on the road, and this red LED indicates that the crossing should not be done. That is for the people who are want to cross the road, that is, this indication indicates that you should not cross. Okay. Now what I will do is, please see carefully. There is a switch over here and there is a buzzer over here. As soon as I press my switch, you can see here, as soon as I press the switch, orange light comes for a few seconds and red light that has come, and the buzzer will be there, and you are getting the green signal. That means this green light indicates that the pedestrian can cross. Red light indicates the traffic has to stop, right? After some time, automatically the traffic has to get slow and the red light comes on. That means the crossing should not be done. And this green light indicates that the traffic should flow. Now they should go. Once again, I will just show it to you. Please see. I'm pressing the button. Red light has come, orange light has come. Red light for traffic, people can cross. 15-second gap, 15 beeps will be there. Then after beeps, it will have give a cooling time of 2 seconds. Then the red light has come. When red light came, the orange light came, and finally the orange light went away. The red light is there, and the green light for traffic movement. The traffic will start like this. So this is a Puffin connection. This is a real time. Just wanted to show it to you. You can do a project based on this. If you like this project, please subscribe to my channel and write a comment. What exactly is your need? I will certainly help you. I don't charge anybody anything. I want that you should subscribe and you should learn. Or what I do is all practical, that is hands-on practical. That's why I will not show my face, and I will take you to my table. That is my working bench, and I will try to explain you the complete thing. Once again, I will put it and you just watch it. So this is orange LED, green, people are crossing. After 15 beeps, the vehicle have started. Again, the orange will come. The beeps is still going on. Whether I don't know whether you can listen to the beep and all. Yeah, orange light has come, red light has come. That is, people have started. The vehicle have started again. So this is Puffin connection for on the main roads where the button will be there. It can be operated. I hope you understood the project. Thank you for watching.